Hi guys, we're on day 2 of our eggs being in the incubator, and today's chicken story is Chickens to the Rescue. On Monday, Farmer Greenstock dropped his watch down the well. Chickens to the rescue! Those are some chickens, said Farmer Greenstock. On Tuesday, Mrs. Greenstock was too tired to make dinner. Chickens to the rescue! What dear chickens you are, said Mrs. Greenstock. On Wednesday, the dog ate Jeffrey Greenstock's book report that was due the next morning. Chickens to the rescue! Smart chickens, said Jeffrey Greenstock. On Thursday, Ernie the duck drove off with the farmer's truck. Chickens to the rescue! Quack, said Ernie. On Friday, a big wind blew Milky the cow into a tree. Chickens to the rescue! Moo, said Milky. On Saturday, the sheep wandered off and got lost. Chickens to the rescue! Bah, said the sheep. On Sunday, Emily Greenstock spilled her breakfast all over the floor. Big mess here if anyone's listening, she said. The Greenstocks went out to the chicken coop. The chickens were fast asleep. Sleep well, said Emily. You earned it. Looks like the pigs are going to go clean up that mess on the floor.